Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Optima LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display, cruise control and dust sensing headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.